Today we are helping out Don and Tammy with an iron ochre cleaning. Lansing to Jackson, Eaton Rapids, like this vicinity, the IO is pretty prevalent, home to home. It's a bacteria in the water. It usually focuses on areas with high iron content, but it can literally range from one wall in the house has it and the other three don't, to the whole neighborhood's got it. When I was here a year ago, had some issues with their pumps and just came in and was able to help them and put new pumps in, provide them with a service plan that allows us to maintain the pumps and show that they're working. At the end of the day, we're gonna take care of everybody and doing the job the way it's supposed to be done. If there is an issue, most importantly, we're going to handle it. You get to meet cool people, which I really enjoy. It's just something new every day. You never know what you're gonna get into.